Shall we begin a new chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chapter 5, it's already finished, right? Did you write the exercises in your notebook? Huh? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who did not write it, please do complete. Okay, only the exercises. I think I already sent it in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Okay, let's.
And that takes 12 exercises.
Who?
And that takes 12 exercises.
Yeah, right. Okay, then we can begin a new chapter, combustion. Chapter 6, combustion and flame. Okay, combustion and flame. We are using different types of fuels in our homes and certain automobiles. Can you list few of the certain fuels?
Petrol,
Tell me.
diesel,
Huh? Which one?
diesel,
Yeah, diesel,
petrol,
petrol,
Natural gas.
yeah, gas, CNG or
kerosene,
LNG, then
kerosene,
kerosene, then
biogas,
yeah, okay, biogas, then firewood, cow dung. It's also examples for certain fuels. Okay. In this chapter also, we are going to learn about the certain fuels, this combustion process, and different types of flames. Can you tell me what is the difference between the burning of a candle and a burning of a charcoal or burning of a wood? Tell me. Yeah, burning of charcoal and burning of a candle. What is the main difference?
And candle only little amount of flame.
Yeah, very good. Candle only produces a flame, right? What about this charcoal? Does it produce any flame?
Fire.
Huh? No, fire, right? Or are you familiar with the grilled items?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are using this charcoal. Yeah, we are using this charcoal for fire or for heating, right? So in the case of this burning of candle, a flame is produced. But in the case of this charcoal burning, there is no flame there. Okay, then we can discuss and learn more about this combustion and flame through this chapter. Shall we start?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, chapter 6, combustion and flame. What do you mean by this combustion? Okay, we can discuss what is combustion. It's a
Ma'am,
chemical process. Yeah, any doubt?
can I zoom in?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A chemical process in which substance react with oxygen to give off heat. It is called combustion. Okay. A chemical process in which substance react with oxygen to give off heat. It is called combustion. So, air or this presence of oxygen, it is necessary for the burning process to take place. A chemical process in which we already learned that this burning, it is a chemical process or chemical change, right? Yeah. So, a chemical process in which substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat, it is called combustion. Then the substance that undergoes combustion, it is said to be combustible. Clear? The substances that undergoes combustion reaction or the burning purpose, it is said to be combustible. Or it is also called a fuel. So initially we discussed about certain fuels, right? Petrol, diesel, firewood, then LPG, cow dung, etc. These all are combustible and examples for the fuels. Clear? Isha Fatima, can you read these points?
A chemical process in which substance reacts
with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion.
Okay.
A substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible.
Mm.
It is also called as a fuel.
Fuel. Give some examples for certain fuels. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Mm.
firewood,
Firewood.
LPG,
Mm.
G,
Mm.
petrol,
Yeah.
diesel, etc.
Okay, okay, fine. Then, have you done this burning of magnesium in class 7? Burning of magnesium ribbon activity? No.
No, ma'am,
Yes or no?
no.
Okay. In this case of magnesium ribbon, it's also burns in air and produces certain amount of flame. Okay. So tell me, which is the fuel or which is the combustible substance in this burning of magnesium ribbon? Which one is the fuel?
No oxygen.
No, fuel is the substance that
Magnesium
undergoes
ribbon.
combustion.
Ma'am,
So,
magnesium ribbon.
yeah, magnesium ribbon. It's an example for the fuel or the combustible substance in the case of burning of magnesium ribbon. Then charcoal burns in air, right? What is the combustible substance? Or what is the fuel there? Charcoal burns in air. Tell me, which one is the combustible substance? Anybody?
charcoal,
Charcoal.
Yeah, charcoal. Because the substance undergoes combustion, it is said to be fuel or combustible. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, look at this image. This is the burning of magnesium ribbon. A certain amount of flame came. Okay? Clear? Okay. Then this fuel, I told you that the substance undergoes combustion. It is said to be combustible or fuel. This fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? The fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Sometimes light is also given off during the combustion. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion. In the definition of that combustion, they are mentioned about only heat, right? But the light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Along with heat, light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Look here, this is in the case of burning of charcoal. Here both heat and light is produced, right? Here just a glow, not as a flame. So sometimes this light energy is also produced during this combustion process along with heat energy in the form of either as a flame or as a glow. So the reactions mentioned above, this magnesium and charcoal are the combustible substances that we already discussed. In the case of burning of magnesium ribbon, this magnesium, it's a combustible substance. And in the case of burning of charcoal, charcoal is a combustible substance. This petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG, firewood, cow dung, everything is also example for this combustible substance or fuel. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, can you repeat these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas.
Hmm.
Sometimes light is also given off during combustion,
Hmm.
either as a flame or as a glow.
Okay.
The reaction mentioned above, magnesium and charcoal, are combustible substances.
So it's clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then there is one activity in your textbook, activity 6.1. There are certain materials given. Wood, paper, iron nails, kerosene oil, stone piece, straw, charcoal, matchsticks, glass. Identify these materials either as combustible or non-combustible. Okay? Do it in your textbook. Finished?
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
are finished, please inform me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Fadil. Fadil, can you hear me? Fadil, can you tell me? Yeah, this wood is combustible or non-combustible? Tell me. Fadil, can you hear me? Is it combustible or non-combustible? Wood. Hmm?
Ma'am, combustible.
Yeah, it's combustible. The next one, Ken. Ken, what about paper? Is it combustible or non-combustible?
It is combustible.
Yeah, it's combustible. Then Nandana. Nandana.
Yes, ma'am.
What about iron nails?
Ma'am, it's not combustible.
Yeah, non-combustible. Then Anashwara. Anashwara. Isha Fatima. Oh, not Isha. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What about kerosene oil?
It's combustible.
Yeah, it's combustible. Then Adigesh. Charcoal.
Ma'am, it's combustible.
Yeah, it's combustible. Then Abid. Abid, can you hear me? Yeah. What about straw? Is it combustible or not?
No.
Straw.
It's combustible.
Yeah, straw is also combustible. Then what about matchsticks?
Straw melts, right?
Huh?
Ma'am, straw.
Ma'am, not that straw, the other dry straw.
Yeah, everything is combustible.
Ma'am, plastic straws usually melt.
Here, this straw means that natural
Dry
one.
grass.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Natural one. Then matchsticks. Matchsticks,
Combustible.
combustible. Then glass.
Non-combustible.
Glass is also not combustible. Okay. So I will show you. Yeah. In the case of wood, paper, kerosene oils, then charcoal, straw, charcoal, matchstick, they are combustible. And iron nails, then stone piece, glass, it is non-combustible. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
then, yeah, any doubt? Nothing. Okay. Then we can learn more examples, more common examples for the combustible substance. Okay. Lakshmi CV, can you read this? Only the substances.
Petrol,
Yeah,
diesel,
petrol.
LPG,
Mm.
CNG, cow dung cake,
Yeah.
ethanol.
Ethanol. First one, petrol, diesel, then LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, CNG, compressed natural gas, then cow dung cake, ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol material, okay? So these all are examples for combustible substance. Clear? Petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG, cow dung cake, ethanol. These all are examples of combustible substances. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have textbook? Yeah, Lynette? Anything? Nothing. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Do you have textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
take page number 65. Then activity 6.2. Sridev, can you read this activity?
Fix a lighted candle on a table.
Mm.
Put a glass chimney over the candle and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way that air can enter the chimney.
Yeah.
Observe what happens to the chimney,
What
happens to
happens
the
to the
flame.
Mm.
Now observe the blocks and let the chimney.
Remove the blocks.
Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table.
Yeah.
Again observe the flame. Finally put the glass table over the chimney.
Yeah.
Watch the flame again. What happens in the three cases?
Yeah.
Does the flame flicker off? Does it flicker and give smoke? Does it burn unaffected?
Yeah.
Can you infer anything at all about the role played by air in the process of burning?
Okay. Is this activity clear for you? We are just fixing a lighted candle on the table. Then put a glass chimney. Glass chimney means it's surrounded with glass and the top portion and bottom portion it's open. Clear? That glass chimney over the candle and it is rest on a few wooden blocks in such a way that air can enter the chimney. Look at that first image. There are certain wooden blocks and air can enter through the bottom also. Clear? Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. That's the second figure. We just remove that wooden blocks and that let the chimney rest on the table. Okay. Again observe the flame. Then what happens to the flame in the second case? Then finally we put a glass plate over this chimney and observe what happens. So tell me what happens in the first case. What about the candle? Is it burns freely or not? In the first case.
It burns.
Burns freely.
Yeah, it burns freely in the first case. Then what happens when these wooden blocks are removed from the table? What happens? When these wooden blocks are removed, air cannot enter from the bottom. Then what happens to the flame? Is it flickers or not?
Flickers.
Yeah, it flickers like this. Okay. Then what happens in the third case?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Isha?
what is the meaning of flicker?
Flickers means just go on and off. The flame is on and off like that. Okay. Isha, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. Then what about the third case? When we are closing this chimney with a glass rod. What happens? The third case? What happens? The flame finally goes off, right? Yeah, it flickers and finally goes off and the smoke came, right? So, what did you understand from this? What is the necessary
Air
thing?
is essential for burning.
Yeah, very good. Air is essential for burning purpose. Okay. In the first case, air is available. Air enters from the top and the bottom. And this burning process, it continues freely. What happens in the second case? Air cannot enter through the bottom because the wooden blocks are removed. So what happens? This burning creates some problem and they starts to flickers. And in the third case, both the sources of air, it's closed. So what happens? No air is available inside that chimney. And this flame goes off and smoke came. Clear? So from this activity, we can learn the points. The role of air in the process of burning. The role of air in the process of burning. Oxygen present in the air, it supports combustion. Oxygen present in the air, it supports combustion. So oxygen is needed for this combustion process. And without oxygen, burning is not possible. Without oxygen, burning is not possible. These are the two important points that we learned from this activity. Okay? The role of air in the process of burning. So oxygen present in air, it supports the combustion reactions. Without oxygen, burning is not possible. Tom, can you repeat these points?
The role of an air in the process of burning.
Mm.
Oxygen present in the air supports combustion.
Combustion.
Without oxygen, burning is not possible.
Okay. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Nothing. Okay. Then we have read that the sun produces its own heat and light. Right? Sun produces its own heat and light. Is it also some kind of combustion? Any idea? Sun produces its own heat and light. Is it some kind of combustion?
No.
No. Then what happens there in the sun? I think you all are not familiar with that term. Are you familiar with the term nuclear energy? Nuclear energy. No, right? So, in the case of sun, this heat and light, they are produced by certain nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions. Okay, it's a certain type of reaction that you have learned detail in higher classes. Just remember this term. Nuclear reactions, it is carried out in sun and produce heat energy and light energy. Clear? In the sun, heat and light, they are produced by nuclear reactions. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in the case of sun, is it a type of combustion reaction, but not actual combustion? The nuclear reactions take place and sun produces heat and light. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then there is one more activity in your textbook, page number 66, activity 6.3. Nivedya, can you read this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Place a piece of burning wood or charcoal on an iron plate or tawa.
Okay.
Cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent plastic jar.
Unmute.
What happens?
Observe what happens.
Does charcoal stop burning after some time? Can you think of the reason why it stops burning?
Okay. Is this activity clear? We just place a piece of burning charcoal. Okay. Burning charcoal on an iron plate or a tawa. Cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent plastic jar. Okay. Observe what happens. Does the charcoal stops burning after some time? Can you think of the reason why it stops burning? Tell me what happens.
No oxygen.
Yeah, due to the absence of oxygen, what happens? This charcoal stops burning, right? So the presence of oxygen is necessary. Then you might have heard that when the clothes of a person catches fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish this fire, right? Can you guess why?
To block oxygen.
Yeah, very good. To block this passage of oxygen. Okay. If only oxygen is present there, burning process take place. To remove this availability of oxygen, we are using this type of methods to escape from this burning. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it clear? So what all things we learned today? What do you mean by combustion? Tell me. Lakshmi Nandakumar, can you tell me? Combustion.
The chemical process in which substance reacts with an oxygen is called combustion.
Yeah, substance react with oxygen to give off heat. It is called combustion. Then what do you mean by this combustible? Lynette, can you tell me?
And the substance which undergoes combustion is known as combustible.
Okay. What is the other name of this combustible substance? Abid? Abid, are you there? Okay, Hrithwik, tell me. Hrithwik? What is the other name of this combustible substance? Huh? Which one?
Ma'am, fuel.
Yeah, it's fuel. Okay. Fuel. Then give some examples for certain fuels. Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. Petrol, diesel, charcoal, coal.
Okay, very good, very good. These all are examples for fuels or combustible substance. Then what is necessary for this combustion process to take place, Vaishnavi?
Oxygen.
Yeah, oxygen is essential for this combustion process to take place.
Ma'am, can I ask one doubt?
Yeah, Isha?
Ma'am, what is the difference between charcoal and coal?
Charcoal and?
Coal.
Yeah, charcoal. Yeah, it's, I think it's almost same. Coal and charcoal. Okay, I will tell you detail in next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Isha? Yeah. Then, what is the major source of energy, or what reaction take place in the case of sun? Tamanna?
Nuclear reaction.
Yeah, nuclear reactions. To produce, yeah, what is the product of this combustion reaction? Can you tell me? What is the product of this combustion reaction?
Heat
Heat?
or light.
Yeah, heat or light. Along with that, carbon dioxide also produced. Okay? Heat, light, along with that, carbon dioxide is also produced. Okay, clear? Okay, let me take your attendance. Adigesh?
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram? Abhiram. Abid?
Present, ma'am.
Adelio? Adelio. Advaid Murali?
Present, ma'am.
Advaid Sinoop?
Present, ma'am.
Albert? Albert. Alvin? Amaljit?
Present, ma'am.
Amin?
Present, ma'am.
Amras? Amras? Anashwara? Anashwara. Anjana?
Present, ma'am.
Benedict? Fadil?
Present, ma'am.
Henin? Hrithwik? Hrithwik.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Fadil.
Okay, okay. Irene Maria? Isha Fatima? Ken Shibin? Lakshmi?
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi?
Present, ma'am.
Lynette?
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Salim?
Present, ma'am.
Nadeem Jahan? Nandana Sharat?
Present, ma'am.
Navaneet? Nivedya Rose?
Present, ma'am.
Pooja?
Present, ma'am.
Sridev?
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev? Suryadev. Then Tamanna?
Present, ma'am.
Tom Jose,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So read this portion very well for the next class. Any doubt?
Anashwara is present.
Okay, okay. I mark you as present. Okay, so thank you all. See you next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am.